Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture I am going to talk about the MCQs based on the electrostatics and capacitance or capacitor. This is only for your test how to solve the MCQs. Again later on I am going to talk about the few more MCQs for the gate questions or from the gate point of view and competitive examination point of view. Okay. So here I'm going to talk about the basics of this one. What is the unit of electric flux density? Okay, we know electric flux density, it is represented by D. D equal to what? Flux upon area. Flux मतलब यहाँ क्या मूव होता है? Q, charges upon meter square. And what is the charges upon area? Sorry, this is area. Charges, what is the unit of charges? Coulombs. And area means meter square. So the answer is D. Right? अगर ये यूनिट ऑफ मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स डेंसिटी पूछा होता तो इट वाज वेबर पर मीटर स्क्वायर लाइक दैट. मैग्नेटिक सर्किट है तो वेबर पर मीटर स्क्वायर. इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स है तो कूलम्स पर मीटर स्क्वायर लाइक दैट. ओके, विच मीडियम हैज द लीस्ट डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रेंथ? लीस्ट डाइलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रेंथ हु इज ऑफरिंग मिनिमम? दैट इज द एयर. A. Third, dielectric strength of medium is usually expressed in, whenever we are going to talk what is the dielectric strength, so that is the voltage, right, and per mm. So it is the answer A. Voltage matlab kilovolt per mm, that is the answer, kilovolt per mm, right? So these are the answers for question number 1, 2 and 3. I'm rubbing it. Okay, next. Suppose I have given this question number 4, 2 microfarad capacitors. Number is 4, 2 microfarad capacitors are connected in parallel. If they are connected in parallel, we know the formula for parallel. C equal to what? C equal to what? C1 plus C2 plus C3 as on. Okay, so if 4 capacitors are connected in parallel, so equal to 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 8. So that is the answer is 8 microfarad, right? Next question. 10 capacitors of 3 microfarad. 10 capacitors of 3 microfarad are connected in parallel. Then equivalent capacitance will be added. C1 plus C2 plus C3 up to C10. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, 3 into 10, 10 times matlab 30. Answer is B. If they are in parallel, okay. So answer is B. If they are connected in series, then what will happen? 1/10 हो जाता. Equal capacitor, if they are connected in series, it is 2 equal capacitor is half. 3 equal capacitors 1/3. 4 equal capacitors are connected in series 1/4. So 10 capacitors if they are connected in series it will be 1/3 मतलब 3 by 10 मतलब 0.3 microfarad. But अगर they are in parallel it will be added. So अगर capacitors parallel में है तो C will increase. If the capacitors series में है तो C will decrease. Resistance में उल्टा होता है, right? The time constant of RC discharging circuit, that is very important. Sorry. This is the discharging circuit. What is happening? I don't know. Discharging circuit, right? तो discharging circuit में time constant क्या होता है? Tau equal to RC. Tau equal to RC, right? Now, what is a discharging circuit? Definition क्या है? In terms of voltage है ना? तो okay. So voltage का formula क्या है? Discharging circuit का V equal to what? Capital V, that is supply voltage, e raised to minus T by tau. Okay, this is the formula. V equal to capital V, that is the supply voltage, e raised to minus T by tau. Now put T equal to tau. Put T equal to tau. When you put T equal to tau, यहाँ क्या आएगा? E raised to minus tau by tau, that is e raised to minus 1. So V into e raised to minus 1, and e raised to minus 1, if you do the calculator, if you use the calculator, you will get, just wait, e raised to minus 1, shift e raised to minus 1, you are getting 0.3678. So यहाँ आएगा 0.367 of supply voltage. इसका मतलब है when you can say time constant tau is defined as the time required to decrease the voltage. Discharge कर रहे हैं मतलब voltage will decrease to 36.7% of supply voltage or total voltage. So capacitor voltage to fall to 30. Yes, this is the first answer. Capacitor voltage to decrease to 36.8% of its initial voltage, right? Question number 7. When fully charged capacitor to V is discharged through the resistance R, then the expression for the capacitor, I told you already, this is the expression for the voltage. This V by C wrong hai, V into e raised to minus t by tau. RC is the time constant tau hota hai. Okay, this is the formula. V e raised to minus t by RC. This D answer is correct. Okay. I am rubbing it. Okay. Question number 8. The relative permittivity of material is 10. Its absolute permittivity. Sorry, something is wrong here. Relative permittivity is 10. Epsilon R is 10. And absolute permittivity, epsilon equal to epsilon 0 into epsilon R. This is the absolute permittivity. So epsilon 0 क्या होता है 8.854 into 10 raised to power minus 12, 8.854 into 10 raised to power minus 12, right, into epsilon r कितना है 10 into 10. What is the answer? 8.854 into 10 raised to power minus 12 plus into 10 minus 11. That is the correct answer, but it is not given, so something is wrong here. If you यहाँ पर अगर ये 10 raised to power 11 है minus 11, so this is the correct answer. Something is wrong here, but this is the correct answer. 8.854 into 10 raised to power minus 11, right? Okay. Another name of the relative permittivity. Another name of the relative permittivity is dielectric constant, potential gradient, dielectric strength. Now, dielectric constant. That is another name of the relative permittivity. You can say relative permittivity is also known as dielectric constant, right? And the last question we have, when the relative permittivity of the material is increased, the force between two charges placed at a given distance. Please here we have derived the formula. Sorry, we have derived the formula. I'm rubbing it. We have derived the formula F equal to, अगर आपको याद हो प्रेजेंटेशन नंबर 1, yes, in presentation number 1, one slide थी, last slide. So I have taken 9 into 10 raised to power 9 into 10 raised to power 9 into QA, charge A into charge B, because force developed between the two, between the in a electrostatic field. So 9 into 10 raised to power 9 into QA into QB upon epsilon R into D square. It is D square, right? So this is the formula 9 into 10 raised to power 9 into QA QB upon epsilon r into d square. Now force. When the relative permittivity of the material is increased, epsilon r is increased. अगर इसको बढ़ाएंगे, so the force between the two charges क्या होगा? Obviously decrease. It is inversely proportional to this, right? Force is inversely proportional to the epsilon r, मतलब relative permittivity. इसका मतलब ये आप ऐसा मटेरियल सिलेक्ट करो जिसका relative permittivity बढ़ता जा रहा है, तो क्या होगा? Force will decrease. So increase, remain same, decrease. That is the correct answer, C. Okay. So in this way you have to memorize your formulas, think about it, and you can answer it easily. But your concept about formulas, about theory must be clear. So then it is very simple to answer. No need to mug up these MCQs. Okay. So I'm rubbing it. Now see here, this is the answer sheets are given here. I have given the answer sheets also. Okay. Thank you very much.